Cool. So the next API that we're going to explore is geolocation. This one is pretty nice. And it's pretty simple, actually. So we have this object in our browser. So we have Navigator. There are a bunch of APIs under that. And this geolocation API, you can find it on navigator.geolocation. If this object exists, then you have geolocation services available. And then you have like 2 or 3 methods, and we can take a look on that. So if we go to console navigator, let's check it out. What is this? There's geolocation language.
Wait, so what's navigator?
It's just an object that is available on the browser.
Okay, so it's under window?
No, it's under window, but if you just type navigator, it works as well, or window.navigator.
How come when they talk about the DOM, they say window, document, right? But then when you do this, you just go window, navigator.
Mm-hmm.
And you've also done window, document, navigator.
Yeah, same thing with document.
So neither of those are needed.
Yeah.
All right.
So we have this navigator object. There's a lot of stuff. Service workers here, another pretty cool API. Vendor, user agent. So all those things. So let's check it out, the navigator.geolocation.
I'm just curious, but is the holdover from Navigator, the name of Navigator, a holdover from Netscape Navigator? That browser back in the 90s?
I don't know.
Because it has all the browser info, right?
Yeah, it
It'd be
has.
like, here's the Navigator info.
Yeah, and this one is pretty crazy. Like, if you check this out, like, codename Mozilla, app name Netscape. So all those strings, if you, like, we don't even need to try to understand this because every browser puts a different stuff, and it's a mess, it's a complete mess. So the geolocation object, we have this proto over here, which is the prototype. So you guys have seen prototype, right?
Yeah.
Remember that? Cool. So we have like 3 functions. We have clear watch, we have get current position, and we have watch position. And that's pretty much it. So we can watch the position of the user, we can get the current position, and then we can clear the watch position. Those are the functions that we can explore. What this get current position does? It does a sync request that detects the user's position. So it's going to return you the latitude and the longitude of your user. And that's pretty much it. And it's pretty fast. Takes a little bit, but works pretty well. And for this one, we can't run this code under file. So this is the important part of this. And this is going to be the same when you explore Polymer. So you can't run code on file. So how many of you have local servers set up on your machine? Okay.
And we did all that with Gulp, and if you're using WebStorm, it does it automatically when you preview.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there are different ways that we can fire up a server. There are like hundreds and millions of ways. Like I'm running a Python server over here. I have an alias for that. But I guess the best way for us to go with this, like for those who doesn't have, like how many of you doesn't have a server? Just raise your hand. No idea if you have or not. No idea. No problem. Yeah, no problem. No problem.
On your computer, so you should have it.
Okay, well there you go.
Yeah. So the way we can do this, you guys have Node installed in your machine?
Yeah. We did that with Ray.
Yeah. For the ones that, was everybody on that class? So everybody has Node?
Yeah.
Cool. So if you, just to check, so open terminal in your machine and let's check it out if you have Node.
The console?
Yeah, so open your terminal Yeah. On Windows, yeah, Windows I guess it's bash.
Yeah, they have a.
So for those of you who have Node, you probably have npm as well. So just check this out. Run npm on your terminal.
Would use the type sorting before NPM or?
No?
There's prompts as code. So you should have your git shell. Is that your shell? So I have PWD, see what happens.
So this is what, this is a good batch.
Go down
This should be good
here.
Yeah, it's better. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.